In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Photopea temporary error quickly and safely. If Photopea is not loading correctly, showing a temporary error message, or getting stuck because of browser issues, don't worry. In most cases, the problem is caused by cached files, browser extensions, site data, or a browser-specific conflict, and the fix is usually simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the exact steps to refresh Photopea properly, test it in Incognito mode, clear site data, disable interfering ad blockers, and switch browsers to isolate the issue. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's try a hard refresh. A normal reload sometimes keeps old files in the browser cache, and that can cause Photopea to load incorrectly or show a temporary error. To do a hard refresh, open the Photopea page and reload it while bypassing the cached version. On Windows, you can usually press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, try Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to pull fresh files from the website instead of using old stored data. If the error was caused by outdated cached scripts, this alone may fix it right away. If Photopea still shows the temporary error after refreshing, the next step is to open it in incognito or private mode. This is really helpful because private windows usually disable most extensions and use a cleaner browsing session. If Photopea works in incognito mode, that tells you the issue is probably caused by a browser extension, strict tracking protection, or some local browser setting rather than Photopea itself. To test this, open a private window in your browser, go back to Photopea and see if the page loads normally. If it does, you've already narrowed the problem down a lot. Now let's clear the site data for Photopea. This is one of the most effective fixes when a web app keeps failing to load. Site data includes cookies, local storage, and cached browser data that can sometimes become corrupted. Instead of clearing everything in your browser, it's better to delete only the data for Photopea so you don't lose settings for every other website. Go into your browser settings, look for privacy or site permissions, then find the saved data for Photopea and remove it. After that, close the tab, reopen Photopea, and sign in again if needed. This gives the website a fresh start and often removes the temporary error completely. If you're still having trouble, disable any ad blockers or strict tracking protection you have turned on. Some extensions and browser protections block scripts that web apps need in order to run properly. Photopea relies on browser features and scripts to function, so if an ad blocker is being too aggressive, it may break the page or trigger an error. Try turning off your ad blocking extension for Photopea specifically or temporarily disable strict tracking protection in your browser. Then reload the page and check whether the issue is gone. If Photopea starts working after that, you've found the cause. The next step is to switch browsers. This is a very useful way to isolate whether the problem is tied to your current browser settings. For example, if Photopea is failing in Chrome, try opening it in Edge, Firefox, or another browser you have installed. If it works in a different browser, then the issue is likely related to your original browser's cache, extensions, privacy settings, or stored site data. If it still fails everywhere, then the problem may be temporary on the website side or related to your network connection. At this point, you've gone through the most common and most effective fixes for a Photopea temporary error. To recap, start with a hard refresh, then test in incognito mode, clear Photopea's site data, disable ad blockers or strict protection, and finally switch browsers to isolate the cause. These steps solve most browser-based Photopea issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. And if one step doesn't work, move on to the next one, because the fix is often a combination of browser cleanup and extension removal. If this tutorial helped you get Photopea working again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes, app tutorials, and creative workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.